Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Albums and selecting one of your folders. In my case, Download. Now hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of. Select those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Select All. After that, just click on this bin next to three dots and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!